What's good? It's your boy JOG here, back at you with another video. And today I've got a very special unboxing for you guys. I'm going to be opening up and looking at the Yeezy 350 V2 YEEZREELs. Now, these are a very controversial colorway. I don't know if that's the right word, but a lot of people, they like them obviously because they're Yeezys, but they don't love them. That's because they're very similar sort of to the glow colorway. A lot of Yeezys that we've been seeing recently, especially the V2s, are very similar to existing colorways. I mean, look at the Citron and the Synth, you know, very similar colorways. But that's not going to stop me from opening up these. I didn't get the glow, so you probably haven't seen obviously, any shoes like this on my channel. We did open up the black V2s that are in the box over there, as well as the Citron V2s, but that's all the V2s I've ever done on the channel, so this will be our third V2, guys. Let me know if you're excited. I hope you are. But I'm not going to waste any time. I want to get straight into the video, but before I do, I need everyone to go down below, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm just going to open it up now. 350 on the top of the box, obviously. These are a size 8. I will be selling these on my Instagram for selling at Blueprint Sneakers, so you can follow it. I'll put an animation there, just so you know. It'll also be linked in the description. But wow, first impressions of the shoe here, guys. And these are just beautiful. I'll give you guys a little up-close view of these. And what I said about the glows, just absolutely forget that, because in person, it is very clear that these are a different shoe because of those black lines, that you've got the black patterns. We see stripes, we see dots, we see everything through this shoe, as well as what appears to be a sort of, I wouldn't say transparent, but you can certainly see something through it if I put my finger in there. Let those sit there as I get my second pair out. Just like the other one, very nice, very stylish. I want to put the box down so I can just have a little talk about something I noticed in this shoe. I'll just sit them down here. And what I noticed is the laces. So the laces are a lot different to what I thought they'd look like online. I thought they'd be more like a brighter, yellower sort of green, like we have on the inside of the shoe here or towards the back. But they're actually sort of like a watermelon green almost. Like, I know that's a weird sort of, I don't know what to call it, but you know when you see like watermelon flavored ice cream and there's like the green and the red? This is like the green on these laces from the watermelon, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I just found that interesting, and if I pick up this pair, we've got the sole, which looks so clean, with the boost, sort of the yellowy green Volt colorway as well, similar to Nike's Volt. And on the back tab of the shoe, because this one does have the back pull tab, sort of a orangey dot pattern. Of course, you can see in the display case over there, the black V2s have got a red, of course. These ones more of an orange, yeah, so I'd say an orange, a pumpkin orange I'd call it. But let me know down below, guys, what you think of these. They're not my favorite V2, I'm gonna say. They're very nice. I'd definitely wear them. I'm thinking of bunch of cool outfits that I could wear with these, because I do have them in my size, which is an 11. I got a couple of 11s and a size 8, so if you're not a size 8, don't stress it. I've got 11s as well that I'll be selling, but I don't know, guys. I'm gonna give these a 8 out of 10 on the heat ratings. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. For example, I gave the black ones a 9 out of 10, so these are an 8 out of 10. Still very nice shoe. I'll be looking forward to the Yeezy colorway, which is sort of one of the December releases as well. It's sort of put into this pack with these ones. And then we also got the 500 highs, so hopefully I can get my hands on either one of those pairs so I can do the unboxing of those as well, because I know you guys love the Yeezy videos. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on those. Let me know down below if you want another sneakers release video, because it did okay, but it took a lot of work to make that one, and you guys didn't seem too keen on it. So comment below if you want more sneaker info videos for release updates and all of that stuff. But that does pretty much bring me to the end of the video, guys. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to go down below, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and while you're down there, hit that notification bell just so you're notified every single time I post another banger video. And until next time, guys, peace.
Bitch, I'm on my line, on my meat cause it's prime. Then I got behind, sober watch, can't waste time. She would never change, but fuck this shit, she a dime. I'ma beat the pussy, I kill it like it's a crime. Bitch, I'm on my line, on my meat cause it's prime.